This week on Your City Now, DHS and their partners deliver. There's new rules at city golf courses, and how about a virtual furry scurry? These stories are just ahead on Your City Now. During this pandemic, Denver Human Services has partnered with two organizations to serve food and snacks to families in need in a way that preserves dignity and shows respect. In mid-March, DHS partnered with Same Cafe, a donation-based fair exchange restaurant that serves healthy food to everyone, regardless of ability to pay. They began providing one hot meal per day, Monday through Friday, to families experiencing homelessness while in emergency housing and shelters who receive services from Denver Human Services. Since then, they have provided over 600 meals per week. We Don't Waste is an organization devoted to supporting the community by redistributing quality food to those in need. DHS partnered with We Don't Waste to distribute nourishing snacks to those in emergency overnight shelters, as well as to some of Denver's other family shelters. Both organizations need your help in order to continue their valuable work. The Same Cafe accepts money, your time, vegetables, fruit, and other food items. Find them at soallmayeat.org. We Don't Waste also welcomes volunteers, and their webpage offers many other ways to donate and contribute, including matching donation programs. Just click on the Donate button at wedon'twaste.org. A familiar sound has returned to the city. Denver teed up its 7 public golf courses this past week with strict social distancing protocols in place, all starting with your arrival at the course.
Pull into the parking lot and then call the pro shop. Wait till about 10 minutes before the tee time, and then you can head over to the putting green, and then we will call you to the tee box for your tee time. So there'll be a starter there. They'll go through all the rules and the different changes throughout the golf course that we've made for physical distancing.
The courses will look the same, except there are no rakes in the bunkers, water coolers, or ball washers at the tee boxes. There's also another rule in place that might help your short game.
Hope you got that on film.
The cups are not in the ground, so the ball will never actually go in the hole. And then we have a plug inside of that cup that sticks up about half an inch. If the ball contacts that plug, it's considered hold out.
Another birdie.
Other safety measures include the complete disinfecting of each cart as it's returned, symptom checks for employees, limiting people in the clubhouse, and requiring masks to be worn in common areas. Thus far, these measures are being utilized effectively.
A health inspector came out to one of our facilities the other day, and we passed with flying colors. They said we're doing everything really well, and they said that as long as we continue to follow the rules, that we would be able to stay open.
Stay safe, follow the rules, and always follow through on your swing. The Denver Zoo is closed to the public, but is still finding creative ways to reach out and connect with the Denver community.
We've got this beautiful area by our giraffe habitat. We've got about 20,000 daffodils that bloom there every year. And with our closure, we're thinking what a shame it is that we don't get to share this with our guests. So we thought, how else could we share it? And our horticulture team clipped, I think, about 5,500 flowers and created 460 or so bouquets, which were delivered to Children's Hospital. And of course, their healthcare workers are on the front lines along with so many others around the community. So it was kind of a nice way to spread some joy that normally people would experience at the zoo, but also a way to express our gratitude for one of our partners and for their healthcare workers.
The zoo also continues to connect virtually with their daily Zoo to You virtual safari video posts. To see your favorite animals and get exclusive behind-the-scene tours, check out their Facebook page. Join the Denver Dumb Friends League for their 27th annual Furry Scurry from wherever you are. This year, Colorado's favorite dog walk is going virtual. Just because you won't be walking together doesn't mean that you aren't walking for the same reason, to help end pet homelessness and animal suffering. Enjoy their live stream and special virtual Furry Scurry coverage on Saturday, May 2nd. And then get moving in your neighborhood with your friends and family, furry or not. Visit the Denver Dumb Friends League website to check out all the ways you can enjoy this year's Furry Scurry and get involved. You can catch new episodes of Your City Now every Friday. Thanks for watching, Denver.